初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I really need a vacation.
I really need a vacation.
我真的需要休假。
I really need a vacation.
I really need a vacation.
Where should we go this time?
Where should we go this time?
这次我们应该去哪里？
Where should we go this time?
Where should we go this time?
I heard Japan is beautiful now.
I heard Japan is beautiful now.
我听说日本现在很美。
I heard Japan is beautiful now.
I heard Japan is beautiful now.
Let's check the flight prices first.
Let's check the flight prices first.
我们先查一下航班价格。
Let's check the flight prices first.
Let's check the flight prices first.
I can book the tickets tonight.
I can book the tickets tonight.
我今晚可以订票。
I can book the tickets tonight.
I can book the tickets tonight.
Don't forget to bring your passport.
Don't forget to bring your passport.
别忘了带护照。
Don't forget to bring your passport.
Don't forget to bring your passport.
How many days can you take off?
How many days can you take off?
你能请几天假？
How many days can you take off?
How many days can you take off?
A week sounds perfect to me.
A week sounds perfect to me.
一周对我来说很完美。
A week sounds perfect to me.
A week sounds perfect to me.
I'll ask my boss tomorrow.
I'll ask my boss tomorrow.
我明天会问我的老板。
I'll ask my boss tomorrow.
I'll ask my boss tomorrow.
We should plan our itinerary soon.
We should plan our itinerary soon.
我们应该尽快规划行程。
We should plan our itinerary soon.
We should plan our itinerary soon.
I want to visit the local market.
I want to visit the local market.
我想去当地市场看看。
I want to visit the local market.
I want to visit the local market.
Let's try all the street food.
Let's try all the street food.
让我们尝尝所有街头小吃。
Let's try all the street food.
Let's try all the street food.
I love discovering hidden cafes.
I love discovering hidden cafes.
我喜欢发现隐藏的咖啡馆。
I love discovering hidden cafes.
I love discovering hidden cafes.
We can take lots of pictures.
We can take lots of pictures.
我们可以拍很多照片。
We can take lots of pictures.
We can take lots of pictures.
Remember to pack light clothes.
Remember to pack light clothes.
记得带轻便的衣服。
Remember to pack light clothes.
Remember to pack light clothes.
The weather looks hot and sunny.
The weather looks hot and sunny.
天气看起来炎热晴朗。
The weather looks hot and sunny.
The weather looks hot and sunny.
I'll bring sunscreen and sunglasses.
I'll bring sunscreen and sunglasses.
我会带防晒霜和太阳镜。
I'll bring sunscreen and sunglasses.
I'll bring sunscreen and sunglasses.
Do you prefer hotel or Airbnb?
Do you prefer hotel or Airbnb?
你更喜欢酒店还是爱彼迎？
Do you prefer hotel or Airbnb?
Do you prefer hotel or Airbnb?
I'd rather stay somewhere cozy.
I'd rather stay somewhere cozy.
我宁愿住在舒适的地方。
I'd rather stay somewhere cozy.
I'd rather stay somewhere cozy.
Let's split the cost evenly.
Let's split the cost evenly.
让我们平均分摊费用。
Let's split the cost evenly.
Let's split the cost evenly.
I can handle the reservations.
I can handle the reservations.
我可以处理预订。
I can handle the reservations.
I can handle the reservations.
Should we rent a car there?
Should we rent a car there?
我们应该在那里租车吗？
Should we rent a car there?
Should we rent a car there?
Maybe public transport is easier.
Maybe public transport is easier.
也许公共交通更方便。
Maybe public transport is easier.
Maybe public transport is easier.
Don't forget to exchange money.
Don't forget to exchange money.
别忘了兑换货币。
Don't forget to exchange money.
Don't forget to exchange money.
I'll make a packing checklist later.
I'll make a packing checklist later.
我稍后会做个打包清单。
I'll make a packing checklist later.
I'll make a packing checklist later.
I can't wait to start this trip.
I can't wait to start this trip.
我迫不及待要开始这次旅行。
I can't wait to start this trip.
I can't wait to start this trip.
Traveling always makes me happy.
Traveling always makes me happy.
旅行总是让我开心。
Traveling always makes me happy.
Traveling always makes me happy.
I love airport vibes so much.
I love airport vibes so much.
我非常喜欢机场的氛围。
I love airport vibes so much.
I love airport vibes so much.
What time is our flight again?
What time is our flight again?
我们的航班是几点来着？
What time is our flight again?
What time is our flight again?
Let's get there 3 hours early.
Let's get there 3 hours early.
让我们提前3小时到那里。
Let's get there 3 hours early.
Let's get there 3 hours early.
I hope the plane isn't delayed.
I hope the plane isn't delayed.
希望飞机不会延误。
I hope the plane isn't delayed.
I hope the plane isn't delayed.
Window seat or aisle seat?
Window seat or aisle seat?
靠窗座位还是靠走道座位？
Window seat or aisle seat?
Window seat or aisle seat?
I want to see the clouds.
I want to see the clouds.
我想看云朵。
I want to see the clouds.
I want to see the clouds.
This flight feels so long.
This flight feels so long.
这次飞行感觉好长。
This flight feels so long.
This flight feels so long.
Let's watch a movie together.
Let's watch a movie together.
我们一起看电影吧。
Let's watch a movie together.
Let's watch a movie together.
I'll take a short nap now.
I'll take a short nap now.
我现在要小睡一会儿。
I'll take a short nap now.
I'll take a short nap now.
We finally landed, thank goodness.
We finally landed, thank goodness.
我们终于降落了，谢天谢地。
We finally landed, thank goodness.
We finally landed, thank goodness.
Let's grab our luggage quickly.
Let's grab our luggage quickly.
我们快点拿行李。
Let's grab our luggage quickly.
Let's grab our luggage quickly.
The air smells so different here.
The air smells so different here.
这里的空气闻起来很不一样。
The air smells so different here.
The air smells so different here.
Adventure starts right now.
Adventure starts right now.
冒险现在开始。
Adventure starts right now.
Adventure starts right now.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。